we're going to do a little car seat install. And as you can see by the roof, in a Model 3. We rented it today. We're going to take a little road trip with it and see how it goes. So you can probably hear my son is having fun while we charge. He's mixing some beats. So that's cool. He's having fun. So there's good and there's bad. I'm trying to make this quick. The thing that I don't like right off the bat is that this headrest doesn't move. And as you can see back here, that's where your anchor points are, you know, for the top tether on these car seats. Today I'm rocking a Graco. What is this? It's the Graco Pretty Good. I don't know. It was expensive. That's all I remember. So I don't like the fact that it's hard to get to the top tether. So you kind of have to like wrap the strap around the headrest. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so forgive me for the camera work. I do like that the little cover flips up here, and then you just attach that and pull it snug from here. So, I mean, it works. I just wish that like it could go under the headrest. And then the next thing, we use these ISO mounts or whatever. So we're going to take this. I'm going to turn down the little DJ action up here. Now he's got quite the jam going. So anyway, you've got the little, and you can see on the seats, got the little indicator here for where the latch points are. So I'm just going to take this, and you kind of have to feel around. There's no latch point for the middle seat. It's only for the rear driver and passenger side. Now, if this were my car, there we go. If this were my personal car, I would buy some sort of a cover, you know, to protect the seat. But since we're only going to be using this car for a few days, you know, I think it's fine. We're going to find this. There we go. So that's latched. Then you want to apply some body weight as you snug the strap up. And then make sure your seat doesn't wiggle. There we go. So that's pretty good. That's for the, you know, toddler seat, however you want to call it. And we'll also do a video on how to do an infant seat. Thanks for watching.